Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hakani ke kasni, ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, bat ke Shillong City, ke lapelong ke Jinang Pajba Hapalau, jong ke State Central Library, ban persya ya ke Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Kinoy lam jong kaseng Kongres hakani kasngi kila ther teng e ke sarkar National Democratic Alliance belai lam da kaseng BJP kabam shemla ngap ke sor jong ki pajba jong ka jela bat ka than chatai lamingi ban ampan long an ya ka CAB kabala penlong no sosnang pura yi kret pat na ki lai tli kiri
na ngalong nong mikmat ubadei bordar bat Bangladesh dalai lai anung sya kum kata banjia haka konstitusi jonga Paralog, ngi song thu, bakine ki border jungi ki badan, kabadan ka areas of difference, kabadan dispute, kum ki langpi, block 1, block 2, kum ta ter, yakine ka sarkar jungi, kadai bani penbej no mar bat ka Assam, lumda kum ta kido ki jaka, kaba kakam ka Assam, Kindai ki jaka pan penbuhai snong yakini ki mender na kaliang ka Assam. Hangta kan poi kapat yaki kon jongi hangtai. Kan poi kapat yaki nong song snong jongi. Bakitai ki breu hangtai. Kinsa besh nong yaki kon kasi jongi baro hakine ki bordal. Ngide ban husiar namar kan ne kasi kan trikam ha Assam. Balada sisya ka traikam ha Assam kata kamod kan sa shlay daki mender hapo Assam bat kin sa kiu sa kini kilom jongiru ada kiu to kini ki breu syano ngilabain kang mar kini ki wan daki hajar bat daki spangut kita kilom KK bangin habiat ter lasai hapo assembly Lasai po assembly ngidai ban ngether kita kenang bakan ne ke sarkar kabatia kadai ban kersiu tia ya ka bakan pinmat no ban le ya kita kikam kari jongi kadon ha kaje ha ka temer ke jingma kari jongi kalas dang ban ing pila yo ine ma kitibi baki university ha ka keleng kari jongi kila syaban thombor ha ki pulet Baki kon samla jongi ki ba pule ki university kila sha so ben namar balai baki persya ya ka CAA la shurung kulmar haki university la shu shon la shu bom ki ne ki kon jongi ba pule gaso shon ba ke mesim mana menmir abang ayu ya ka tibi ba hapo Oxford University ki kon samla jungi nari India ki ayat ban protes ya ke kebajia kan no kajing soleran yang i bahado siapa Britain hapo England kila sedang ban protes ya kan ne ka CAA ngilong ki priyo barit pat ya kan ne kejela ngidai bangin teli ngimdai ban syaya no reno ban penpai penprai ngi Ngidai banya sumar iwe kane kapor.
Numday nakadaw jong ka politics jong ki party ki bakentat bangin yailong kawai kari India klem da shim ya kano kabenta jong kanyam ne ka jonglong jaj ban riu kane kaan nginom ya khana halenti hasengkin barhakiyeng kisem ki jongi Kajing kali menta kalong kumni. Balay, baka jela Meghalaya, kap, hadu pandala depas ya katakaan, banyeng ban kitya, ban ong MP ngimkwa ya katakaan. Ay no yang ida kaway patkaan. Balay, kasorkar, Jong kajela Arunachal Kasorkar Jong kajela Nagaland Kasorkar Jong kajela Mizoram kilalong kibalapan krek. Hato day, bakita ki jela, kidon ki red pat, ki bayeng scam halar ki jong ki nong rim. Hato kaday, bamangi, ukhasi, ujantia, bat ugaro, ngilong ki jaj benriu, ki baap, ban pet, bat ondaladir kepor, ngin saya kiwin. Mano baang ya pi baka kongres ka persya ya ka ILP. Balay, ki sarkar mensyua yo absolute majority tang ka kongres. Balay, omdan ki sarkar serop ki bala kersyan da ki wei ki parti. Menta nda pila poi hapedeng jong kaduriau pidang wat daw ban keno yakibay dalatap lup da kaumsaw pidang nuot mapin kedaw yakakti siya kaway ka parti banong kitay kibam kwa ILP balay ray tang mangiki kongres kalakuk kot kajuk jong kajing bam don jing tip Kamegalaya mentakasngi gani kastit hakabaki babon kinong syong snong kiladay kibalatip kibalanang bat kibalayo yaga jingnang jingstat.
The idea of this amendment of Citizenship Act 1955 was mooted by BJP. We have been instrumental in, as a party, along with the other parties who share the same ideology and same concern, in stopping the further legislation in the earlier house of the parliament. But recently what we have seen is that because of the mandate, the sheer number in the Lok Sabha, and subsequently the manipulation to have numbers in the Rajya Sabha, the proposed legislation has ultimately become an act. Today we have a Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. We continue to oppose, and our voices have echoed across the country and beyond the boundaries of the country also. The world is watching us. Congress has been always instrumental in protecting the interests of all the people from diverse background of this great nation. And we are also beneficiary of this concern and this stand of Indian National Congress as members belonging to ethnic indigenous communities with microscopic number in terms of population. Indian National Congress has put number of measures, ensured post-independence that enough provisions are put in the Constitution, enough measures are enshrined in the Constitution of India to protect the interests of each and every communities belonging to the diverse ethnic groups along with the majority. When we look at the intent and agenda of the BJP, it has become quite alarming for us, and the whole nation is concerned. Today, as we are here, there are a number of similar protests going on across the country, across Meghalaya, in different parts. People are praying, not just coming out and protesting. Our nation is today confronted by a very dangerous precedent. We have maintained that this new legislation, the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, has created a dangerous precedent for the future generation of this great nation. That is the reason why you see across Northeast, whether it is in Assam or the rest of the other states in the Northeast, the irony is that The similar kind of protests have started taking place across the nation after the act has ultimately become, or rather the bill has ultimately become an act. Maybe the nation has woke up a little late. But the people of Meghalaya, we must be proud of ourselves. And the people of Northeast, we have been consistent in echoing our voice of opposition to this legislation. But today, in spite of all this strong opposition coming from across the northeastern region and the rest of the country, what has happened? Did the BJP listen? No. But rather BJP and the other political parties who are partners of the BJP are trying to create an impression that this act is acceptable by the majority. In fact, I share the equal concern of all my colleagues in the party. We are deeply hurt because people in the rest of the country think that even people of Meghalaya also accept the whole legislative exercise resorted to in the parliament in respect of CAB and ultimately enacting it as a CAA. Only because of one political party. And that political party is the NPP. Aware of the fact that the people of Meghalaya, along with the rest of the northeastern region and rest of the country, have been persistent, consistent in opposing this legislation. And based on this, what has the government, state government done? The state government tried to reach out to everyone, all the civil society organizations, the NGOs, including political parties. And when the whole state was giving the same voice, echoing the same voice, the government indicated that they are in the same page with the people of the state, with all the political parties, with all the NGOs and civil society organizations, and to present before Government of India the stand of the people of the state of Meghalaya. Or in other words, our stand through the government, our collective stand. That is what resulted in unanimous decision with complete clarity that we are at the same page in opposing CAB and ensure that we articulate it appropriately before the Government of India. And we submitted that resolution. But the whole world has seen how there was a big U-turn and betrayal. That suddenly, when we were seeing the proceedings in the Lok Sabha, the MP from Tura, the lone member of NPP, extended the support to the passage of CAB to ultimately make it an act. You have heard what happened afterwards? People were taken by surprise. People really felt that people have been betrayed and cheated. Did the Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma, also inform the NGOs who also were signatory in this resolution, who have taken the stand on behalf of the people of the state? Or have they also been betrayed? But I have not heard the NGOs also saying that they have been betrayed. I don't know. I will put this question to everyone. Have they been betrayed or not? Because even before, the country woke up with shock, and the state woke up with shock after the bill was passed and become an act with the lightning speed at which the assent was given by the President of India. Then we continue to oppose. But there is a need to question the Chief Minister. How you have done this U-turn? After having this resolution taken collectively, How you dare cheat the people, betray the people? We are not surprised. Because on the run-up for this legislative exercise in the parliament, what was happening? There are a number of statements given by the leaders of the NPP, including the chief minister, where they tried to somehow give certain amount of assurance that the people of the state shouldn't worry. We are opposing CAA. We will continue to oppose CAA. But at the same time, with the kind of unprecedented situation that has unfolded with this enactment of act, the people of the state has to take measures. We have to take measures. And that's the reason why today you hear about number of measures which are required to be put in place to protect our Jait Punryo, the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act. And this was because we understood the complexities to which our people are subjected to, our people are exposed to, given the geopolitical angle, given the position of our state. You look at the map of the whole country, how Meghalaya is placed. Bangladesh in the south, long 443 kilometers border, and on the north, east, and west, border with Assam. We are sandwiched between these two international and interstate borders. Now, it is therefore the responsibility of any political party who has given the commitment to respond to call of duty that we respond to the prevailing situation, and as we see things unfold, the dynamics of politics demand and call for re-strategizing our approach to protect our people.